Installing Superflow with Google Tag Manager is super easy. First, go to the Superflow onboarding flow. Next, enter the URL where you have Google Tag Manager installed. Then click Next. If Google Tag Manager is detected, we will show you this box recommending that you install with Google Tag Manager. If you see this, click on Start Setup. You will then be asked to authenticate with the account that is tied to your Google Tag Manager account. Next, you'll be asked to select the Google Tag Manager account and the Google Tag Manager tag container that you'll be using. Next, we will try to create and publish a Superflow tag on your behalf on your account. If this is okay, click Create and Publish Tag. Note, this will also publish any unpublished changes you have made to your Google Tag Manager workspace. Now, the final step is to verify whether Superflow was installed correctly. So click on that Verify Install button. If Superflow was installed correctly, you should see the Superflow toolbar at the bottom right corner of the page. Now that Superflow is installed, you can do several things. First, you can highlight any text on the page and then leave a comment that way. You can also hover over any elements of the page and leave a comment that way. You can also draw a box and leave a comment that way as well. And that is how you install Superflow with Google Tag Manager.